Today, we will be discussing graphing linear equations. Linear equations of the form ax plus by equals c could be expressed graphically as a straight line. Ibig sabihin, kahit na anong equation na may ganito ang itsura, ay maaaring iguhit bilang isang tuwid na linya ang graph. We may make use of two methods. These are the slope-intercept method and the x and y intercept method. As we can see on the board, both of the methods for graphing linear equations have the word intercept in them. Can anyone read the textbook definition of intercept?
An intercept is a point where the graph of the linear equation intersects or crosses the x-axis or the y-axis.
Good. Thank you for that. Halimbawa, sa linyang ito, the x-intercept is 4, 0. While the y-intercept is 0, negative 2. Magagamit natin ang mga intercept para mapabilis ang ating pag-graph ng linear equations.